Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Atlanta City. He comes miles and miles away from Las Vegas, New Mexico to Albuquerque, the land of enchantment brains every day by Blue Universal Records, Jonathan Dreamer. Girls, close your eyes. You're still beautiful inside. All the girls in Arizona City, they're so ugly and so hateful and so dirty. They don't even know how to be a woman now. They just fool around. They party and drink liquor. No wonder they look so saggy and ugly. I don't even want a girl like that in Arizona. I just wanna get away. All the real women, close your eyes. You're gonna be okay tonight. I was waking up in the city, looking up like this. That girl was so dang dirty. And now I look at her now, and now I know I'm deep in love right now. And I don't wanna mess around. You already look so beautiful and so pretty. All the Arizona girls are so ruthless. I met so many of them and they feel like it's all the same. They say they're single and the next day they're not. I don't know what's going on with these Arizona girls. Maybe they're lost, they don't even got a job. They go to school and they go to college, but they act like just the fools. And they ain't even cool. That's why we're back in Atlanta City, where the beautiful girls are so pretty, and they know exactly what they want and what they need out of life. The beautiful all here tonight. So baby, close your eyes. You can close your eyes. All the beautiful girls and all the real women, close your eyes. You're not like the Arizona Southern girls tonight.